So in this Alight Motion tutorial, I will be showing you how to group layers in Alight Motion. So if I were to go ahead and add like multiple layers, for example here, let's go ahead and maybe add a third one just as an example, and you wanted to group them all together and make the same edits, the same filters, etc. Go to this left side to where there's like the eyeball, go ahead and press and hold one of them, which I will do. I'll press and hold and then drag down. All of a sudden, all three are selected green. And if you go to the top here, there's three different options. There's the triangle and the circle that connect. And then there's kind of those. Go ahead and select the first one that's right beside where it says 3 layers selected. Then once you're here, they're actually all grouped together. So you can go ahead and play around with it. If you were to turn it off, all three of them turn off. If you were to turn it on, you can once again hold it, hold this side, ungroup them, and you can just kind of go from there and group them all together, just like that. So pretty simple, pretty straightforward. That is how to group layers here in Alight Motion. Thanks again for watching, and hope this helps.